So, David, what did we do tonight?
Up here on the porch.
What did we do tonight? Yeah.
What was this again? The nature walk.
Yeah, we went on a nature walk, and so we gathered up a lot of different things from the yard and the road. And what do you have there?
A piece of grass.
Piece of grass, okay.
What was this again?
Shingle from the roof.
Shingle from the roof.
Yep, that fell down onto the ground. We didn't actually go up on the roof to get it.
Piece of?
Pumpkin.
Piece of dried pumpkin.
A leaf.
Oh yeah, nice leaf from last year, an old leaf.
Stick.
Uh-huh.
And everything
And
else.
everything else. Flowers and new leaves and all sorts of fun stuff. And rocks. What a nice collection. Okay, can you put them all back in your little basket now, David? For safekeeping.
For keep saving.